Don't worry, Sam. These internet things are a flash in the pan. It'll blow over in no time.
Ah, Sam, I've just had a call from a big film producer. He wants you to be in a movie, playing yourself.
What?
I know. He saw your dramatic oil truck rescue on one of those internet clips.
But, sir, surely it would be better if an actor was playing the part.
Oh, nonsense. They want you. And we'll, yes, get to meet lots of famous movie stars. And it'll be marvellous publicity for the Pontypandy Fire Service.
But, sir, I'm a firefighter.
No, Sam, you're not. You're Fireman Sam, the movie star now. You can go back to being a firefighter once the film is all finished, but not before. Don't let me down.
I'll try not to, sir.